Welcome back to another video, and I'm happy to share two great new opportunities for freshers who want to build their career in creativity. First position is from Targetorate, a Hyderabad based Indian company looking for junior motion graphic executives, and the position is primarily for people come with 0 to 2 years of experience, has good understanding of creativity, has good understanding of Adobe, Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. All the responsibilities are mentioned here, and expected qualification is someone who has masters in visual communication or a relevant degree. Even if you have some relevant experience, that is workable, or if you have a bachelor's with arts, or if you have bachelor's in visual communication, even that is workable. Required qualifications are mentioned here, and all the required responsibilities are also mentioned. It's a great opportunity for people who are passionate about creating their career in creativity, or if you already enjoy social media marketing, digital marketing, creating, designing, and editing videos, then this would be a great opportunity for you. Another great opportunity is from CorpSecurity International, an internship for 3 months, and after that, it can go for a full time hire if the candidate is doing well. The stipend provided is 10,000 Indian rupees per month, and expected responsibilities are mentioned here: editing raw video footage into compelling, engaging video content, and all other graphic and transition requirements. If you or someone who is interested with this opportunity, both are open for freshers, and both are good opportunities for freshers to start their career in creativity. Requirements are mentioned here. All the details would be shared on the link in the description. Kindly go ahead, read the job description, create your profile. If you're interested, create your profile matching and then put it forward and submit. Also reach out to the hiring team. Lalita is hiring for CorpSecurity International, and for Targetorate, Shravya is hiring. You connect with both the hiring managers and reach out once you apply. Apart from this, I'm hiring for a couple of other positions which I keep mentioning on my LinkedIn page. We are hiring for business analyst for Pune location. We are hiring for application developer with Oracle Cloud middleware experience. This is for Hyderabad. And then we are hiring for SAP ABAP and senior security and Dynamics 365. So if you know someone who's looking for opportunities, then kindly share it with them and follow for more updates. Subscribe the channel, and wishing you all the success. Thank you. Bye.